I'm going from a 30-inch tire to a 27-inch tire. I think they just look better. They kind of fit the size a little bit better too. And I'm going to put my the wider tires on the front. And I'm going from 17 tooth to a 14. And it's that's a heavy duty chain. It originally had a 525 chain on it, I think, which is more narrow. So it's kind of scraping into the aluminum engine part right there, but I think it'll be okay. It's not going in too deep. And I've cleaned up the wiring. I did have all the wiring sitting up top, and now I've tucked it all under there. I don't have a whole lot of room to ride because it's kind of flooded on that little trail I got in my backyard. But I can run it around my house a little bit, and when I get a chance I'll go somewhere where I've got a little bit more space. I cut grooves in this. It's a square tubing, and it sits inside 2 welded pieces of angle iron, and I've got grooves slots cut in there so I can move the chain forward and backwards. I'm not sure if that's coming out with the sun. So I've got a bolt welded on the bottom of the square tubing, and I can go about maybe 1.5 inches forwards and back, but it wasn't quite enough. And then there's an idler sprocket right there. It wasn't quite enough to where I could get the chain tight enough, and I had to put a half link in so it wouldn't be too loose. So I'm thinking now, that's a 13 tooth idler wheel, and I've got a 15 and a 17 on order, and then I ordered another chain that's going to be longer so that hopefully I can adjust it without putting in the half link. But we'll see how that turns out. I'm going to warm it up a little bit, then take it over there to do a couple of little burnouts if it runs all right.